guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this lavender smoky eye look, so if you're interested then please continue watching. So I've already prepped my face using the Clinique Dramatically Different Gel Moisturizer. I'm priming my lids using the Naked Skin Weightless Concealer and I'm in the shade Light Warm. Now blend that away using a brush or your fingers, whatever you prefer. I won't use any powder to set it, and the colors actually show up more when you don't set your eyelids with a powder. Now I'll scotch tape my eyes just the way I am doing it in the video, and this will give you much cleaner cat eye effect without using a liner. Using my favorite Jaclyn Hill palette, I am going to use the light brown for my crease, or actually the outer corners. Now keep blending and don't drag the color to the entire lid, so just keep it towards the outer corner only. Taking the deeper brown color from the palette, place it again on the outer corners, making sure to blend the two browns perfectly. Now focus on keeping the deeper brown close to the lash line. Don't drag it higher up. Now going back to the palette, or any palette of your choice that you may be using, pick the black and draw a smudged eyeliner / cat eye on the lower lash line. Drag the black eyeshadow to almost the inner corners and keep smudging, basically keep blending until your arms fall off actually. Now the lavender is from this beautiful Cosmic Collection eyeshadow palette. It has gorgeous pastel shades and it's really pretty. Place the colors in the inner corners, dragging it outward toward the outer corner using a flat eyeshadow brush. Now you guys can use any color of your choice. If lavender is a color that you don't like, don't use it. Replace it with any other color. Now I'm picking the black again from a different palette though, because it doesn't matter what palette you use, black is black in every single palette. I'm going to smoke out the outer lid and blend it into the lavender, so there are no harsh lines and it's all nice and smooth. Now keep blending till your arms feel super sore, and once you're satisfied with it, you can pretty much stop. I'll do my other eye off the camera to save some time. For primer today, I'm using the SmashBox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It helps with the redness that you have around your nose area, cheeks, or whatever redness you have on your face. It's also one of my current favorite primers at the moment. I'm happily skipping foundation today and using the Benefit Boiing Airbrush Concealer to hide all my imperfections. I'm seriously obsessing over this concealer. I'm in the shade number 2. I'm also on my second jar or container. I love it that much and I really recommend you guys to go out and try it. It's really good for all kinds of skin type. Now I'm brightening my face in the usual areas with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. It is pretty much full coverage. I'm using my favorite HOOLA bronzer from Benefit. You guys can switch this with any bronzer of your choice and that works perfectly fine too. Now I'm further adding warmth to my face using the Sephora Shimmering Bronzing Powder in the shade Clear Light 1. Setting my face today with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I am in the shade Light Medium 20, and also if you can get your hands on these, just buy it and thank me later because it's one of the best setting powder. Filling in my non-existent brows with the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefit. I'm also in the shade number 6. Now coming back to my lower lash line, I am dipping my flat eyeshadow brush into the black again and smoking them out. Make sure you don't drag it too much into the inner corners, just focus on the outer and the mid area only. Now excuse the sneeze, but for blush today I'm using the beautiful Dandelion blush from Benefit. And to highlight my face today, I'm using the e.l.f. Shimmer Highlighting Powder in the shade Sunset Glow. It's a very, very, very subtle gold highlight. For lipstick today, I'm using my favorite nude shades from Sephora called the Brunch Date. I absolutely love this packaging. It's so, so, so cute. I'm further adding some shine with the DIOR Rouge Gloss in the shade 468 BENHUER. I don't know how you say that, but 468 BONHEUR. So I'm using my current favorite Smoky Eye Mascara by Bobbi Brown. I love this. It legit gives you like the false eyelash effect. So I'm highlighting my brow bone with the highlighter that I used on my face. And this, guys, is the final look. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And also, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!